But it is sad, that the political situation in the province has come to a stage where the situation of 2011 or 10 or 9 has returned back to Sawat and other northern areas. So, but inshallah, we'll tackle with it, and primarily the cognizance has to be taken by the provincial government. Federal government will always be there to assist them, to help them, to provide them with all the wherewithal for controlling this thing. But there is something which is very heartening, that people have come out in the streets on their own without any political motivation to protect their rights, which is for a very long time a rarity in Pakistan. And of course, at some stage, government has to examine the situation, and they have to take some other, or adopt some other option for them to control the situation. But up till now, there is absolutely no decision about that. Our relationship with Saudi Arabia is, it goes back many decades, and it's a very important relationship. It has a pivotal role in our foreign policy. They are our brothers, and they have helped us on very difficult times over the years, over the decades, and we value this relationship immensely. And I think Crown Prince, His Highness, His Royal Highness visit will strengthen this relationship further, and will add value to this relationship. In both, as you mentioned, in the field of defense and the field of investment also in Pakistan.